Have you ever dreamed of investing but felt overwhelmed? What if I told you that anyone can start with just Kenya shillings 100? Introducing Safaricom Ziidi Investments, or Ziidi for short. It makes investing easy and accessible for all Kenyans. Ziidi provides a suite of investment products through M-Pesa. With Ziidi, you can manage everything conveniently from your phone. Most transactions come with no fees, making investing even more attractive. Let's break down the main components of Ziidi. 1. Start with the Ziidi Money Market Fund, MMF. This is a low-risk investment option. It invests in safe assets like treasury bills. You can begin investing from just Kenya shillings 100. 2. Next, we have Ziidi Sharia. This is a Sharia-compliant option. It avoids interest and invests in halal assets. 3. Finally, there's Ziidi Trader. This is perfect for buying and selling NSE shares directly from M-Pesa. This service has a higher risk and requires investors to be over 18. Now, let's explore the key features of these options. For the money market fund, you earn daily interest, compounded and credited to your account. Withdraw anytime with low minimums. No M-Pesa fees for deposits or withdrawals. A management fee of about 2% per year applies. For the Sharia-compliant fund, it mirrors the MMF benefits but maintains Islamic principles. Ziidi Trader simplifies equity investment. It eliminates the need for a personal CDs account. However, be aware of market risks, as stock prices can fluctuate. Why should you consider Ziidi? It's easy to use and mobile-friendly. Financial inclusion takes center stage for the unbanked. Daily growth from MMF encourages a habit of saving. Additionally, it's managed by trusted entities regulated by the Capital Markets Authority. However, be cautious of potential downsides. Returns aren't guaranteed, and fees can reduce your profits. The MMF is low risk but not risk-free. Stocks can fluctuate in value, and individual investors only can access them for now. Before diving into Ziidi, keep these quick tips in mind. 1. Build your emergency fund first. 2. Invest only what you won't need soon. 3. Understand the difference between MMF and trader investments. 4. Check current performance via the M-Pesa app. 5. Diversify your investments, don't put everything into one place. For more details, visit https://www.safaricom.co.ke/main M-Pesa per meter Pesa services, wealth, Ziidi or dial *334#. If you need help, Safaricom Care is ready to assist. Ready to start your investment journey with Ziidi? Like and subscribe for more insights on investment opportunities.